A man who says he feels the police are out to take his life has spoken publicly about the situation. The man says he wants Jamaica to know he's innocent and he feels he's being targeted. The man went into the police today for a second time to try and end what he says is a frightening ordeal. Kirk Wright has that story.
Fearing for his life, Karen Richardson and his attorney Diane Jobson went to the Central Police Station to clarify if he's a wanted man. His attorney says the police confirmed they have no interest in him and that he left the station a free man.
Mm-hmm. When you took him to the police, what exactly did the police do?
The inspector there was very helpful, Mr. Swaby. Inspector, he went and made inquiries, and he said to his knowledge, there's nothing that that he is wanted there.
Mr. Richardson says he became fearful upon realizing he was being followed by the police in two marked vehicles shortly after leaving his St. Catherine home on Saturday.
How I know that they're really trailing me now is that when I reach at the intersection where the Price Mart and the 100 Man is, I went over to the gas station. I saw one of the Jeep went opposite way and the other one went the other way. When I was leaving the gas station, I saw that they're still trailing me. I went straight over to where the Fontana pharmacy is. I saw the two vehicles still parked on the two different sections watching me. I went in the Starbucks and I sit down in there for almost 2 hours until the vehicle then take time and drive off.
Mr. Richardson says he still wasn't sure if the police had left, so he asked his partner who was with him at the time to roll down the 4 windows to his vehicles.
She drove away my car and they trailed her in my car and they see that I wasn't in there and I took a taxi.
For him, the action of the police suggests that they're up to no good. He says if they wanted to arrest him for any reason, they had plenty of time to get him while he was in a store.
And when I went in the Starbucks, I sat in there for 2 hours, right? And none of the police them come inside there and said, listen, we want you or nothing. They didn't come and say nothing to me. But as soon as my car drive off and start going the direction, they start trailing my car again. You understand? So I feel like they are trying to hurt me and I am an innocent person.
He said weeks ago he got information that his name was being linked to a serious matter that happened in the Almontown community. So he went into the police to clear his name. Mr. Richardson says he was not charged, neither was he needed by the police for any reason. Mr. Richardson says that's why he's now baffled about being trailed by the police.
Commissioner of Police, I really want to know why am I being harassed by the JCF, because I'm not a wanted man, I have done nothing wrong. So just please tell me why they are trailing me, and I know they must trying to trail me to kill me. So why they are trailing me and why am I being harassed by the police?
Mr. Richardson says he will not be dropping his guard. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.